Sebastian!
Ariel, what are you? How could you? What is all this?
It's just my collection.
Oh, I see. Your collection. If your father knew about this place, he'd...
You're not gonna tell him, are you? Oh, please, Sebastian. He would never understand.
Ariel, you're under a lot of pressure down here. Come with me. I'll take you home and then...
What do you suppose?
Ariel? Ariel, what are you? Jumping jellyfish. Ariel! Ariel! Please, come back!
Here, boy! Hey, come on, Mutt. What you doing, huh, Max? Come on, Max. Good boy, good boy.
Hey there, sweetie! Quite a show, eh?
Scotto, be quiet. They'll hear you.
Ooh, I gotcha. We're being intrepidatious is what we're being. We're on a secretive mission.
I've never seen a human this close before. Oh, he's very handsome, isn't he?
I don't know, he looks kind of hairy and slobbery to me.
Not that one. The one playing the snarf blat.
Silence! Silence! It is now my honor and privilege to present our esteemed Prince Eric with a very special, very expensive, very large birthday present.
Ah, Grimsby. You old beanpole, you shouldn't have.
I know. Happy birthday, Eric.
Gee, Grim. It's really something.
Yes, I commissioned it myself. Of course, I had hoped it would be a wedding present.
Oh, come on, Grim. Don't start. Look, you're not still sore because I didn't fall for the Princess of Glowerhaven, are you?
Oh, Eric, it isn't me alone. The entire kingdom wants to see you happily settled down with the right girl.
Oh, she's out there somewhere. I just haven't found her yet.
Well, perhaps you haven't been looking hard enough.
Oh, believe me, Grim, when I find her, I'll know. Without a doubt, it'll just, bam, hit me. Like lightning.